Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about something that comes up when you're getting ready to publish your KDP book. And it's those dreaded 7 keyword boxes that can confuse so many people out there. But don't worry, because today's video, we're going to go through everything that you need to know so that you have confidence going forward and filling in the 7 keyword boxes for your low and no content books. But before that, hey guys, my name is Jeff, and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. And right now we're talking about low and medium content publishing on Amazon KDP. So if this sounds interesting to you, feel free to hit that subscribe button so that you can be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. Okay guys, so here's what you need to know about the 7 keyword boxes. The most important places that you want your keywords to be in are the title, the subtitle, or the back end, also known as the 7 keyword boxes, because these are the places that Amazon will index those keywords to show up on search results. Now, Amazon does not index keywords in the description, so you don't have to worry too much about this and just focus on putting your keywords, your most important keywords in the title. The next is the subtitle, and then the back end 7 keyword boxes. Now, when it comes to the 7 backend keyword boxes, there's a few ways that you can do this. You can either enter in a long tail or a short tail keyword in each of the boxes, which some people do. Or if you're like me, you can do single words and fill up the box completely for each 7 boxes. The reason I do this is because with the long tail and the short tail keywords, you might have duplicate words in those keywords. And the fact is, Amazon is only gonna index one of those words, so you're using extra space to put in the same word. Now, if you're gonna do single words or more unique keywords, technically it means that Amazon will be able to create more combinations for your book to show up under different keywords. One thing that you don't want to do is you don't want to include plurals and filler words in your keyword boxes. So for example, words like and, for, or plurals like if you put in gift, and you don't need to put in gifts with the S, because Amazon won't actually index these words, so you're just wasting space. Another thing is you don't want to keyword stuff, meaning you don't want to put in irrelevant keywords in your boxes just because you're trying to fill in the space, okay? Because your relevancy score may suffer, which basically means that your book might show up on search results that it's not supposed to be, which will hurt its relevancy score. What you do want to do is you want to include similar keywords. So for example, if you're creating a journal, well, you can add in notepad, notebook, memo pad, writing pad into these keyword boxes. Or if you're doing a coloring book, things like coloring pages, sheets, or activities is something that you want to enter into your keyword boxes if they don't fit into the title or the subtitle. Now I've gone ahead and done some research, and for this example, we're going to go do a teacher gradebook keyword. Now, as you can see, I've rated these keywords from a score of 100 and downwards, and I only keep keywords that are above 50. Okay, so now if we're going to create a teacher gradebook with these keywords, this is going to be the list of keywords that we use to create a title, a subtitle, and then fill in the 7 keyword boxes. And how I do this is I typically like to look for a search result that's 1,000 or less, as well as an average BSR on the first page of 300,000 or less. And that's how I choose which keywords from this list will make it onto the title, the subtitle, and the back-end keywords. Okay, so after you've done all your research and you've chosen your keywords that you're gonna go with for your book, you're gonna end up with something like this, where you have a list of these keywords. And in order to get to the 7 keyword boxes, you're gonna have to create a title and a subtitle first, because you're not gonna wanna use those keywords again in the 7 keyword boxes. So for example, here are the keywords that we're gonna go with. As you can see, we have teacher gradebook, we have teacher gradebook cute, teacher gradebook and planner, teacher gradebook and lesson planner, teacher gradebook cactus, teacher gradebook unstructured, teacher gradebook for elementary, for high school, for middle school, teacher attendance and gradebook, and then teacher gradebook large print. So I went ahead and created a title using these keywords, and I went with teacher gradebook and lesson planner. And as you can see, I did that because teacher gradebook is in every single keyword that we have here. And then I chose lesson planner because it's the second most common keyword in this list. And so that's our title, teacher gradebook and lesson planner. So for the subtitle, we're going to use the rest of the keywords that wasn't included in the title and try to craft a subtitle that is strong. So this is what I came up with. I came up with acute, cactus, unstructured, and then planner, attendance, and gradebook for elementary, or you could do for middle school, or you could do for high school. Or if the gradebook is similar in elementary, middle school, and high school, you could just group them in all together in the same subtitle. Now, after you've done this and you have your title and subtitle, you get the leftovers, right? So the leftover basically in this list is this keyword, large print. So this, if it's not going to be included in the title and subtitle, this is an example of a keyword that can go into one of the 7 keyword boxes. Other keywords include related keywords. For example, gradebook, which is what we got from our title. A related keyword of gradebook is grade tracker. So keywords that are related to a keyword that you already have in your title and subtitle. Lesson planner. A related keyword is lesson organizer. So you can use grade tracker, you can use organizer. For attendance book, you can do student attendance log. And then other keywords that you can think of or you can do research on, for example, a classroom gradebook, academic record keeping, a class grade tracker, student performance tracker, student assessment tool. These are the keywords that you can put in the back end that will help your book get ranked, because these are the keywords that are going to be indexed, and Amazon will make a combination of these keywords to create more keywords that your book will index for. And in the end, if you were to put the keywords that we came up with on our list, this is how the 7 boxes would look like. Your first one would say large print. Second one, lesson organizer, student attendance log, classroom gradebook, academic record keeping, class grade tracker, and then the last would be student performance tracker assessment tool. Now, since we have a couple of repeating keywords that are already in the title, we're going to have to clean this up, and therefore we have to remove this word lesson, this word gradebook, as well as this word attendance and this word grade. And then I also see duplicate words here, such as student. I have it twice. So now this is where you're gonna have to mix and match these keywords to create phrases that make sense for your book. So give me a second and let me see what I can come up with. Okay, so these are the keywords that I came up with. I condensed them. I deleted the keywords that were repeated in the title and the subtitle. And so we have large print student performance log, classroom academic record keeping, class tracker organizer, and assessment tool. And these would be the keywords that you end up with. Now, don't worry if you have extra boxes as well as extra space here. What matters most are these keywords that you do use, because Amazon will mix and match these words, creating new combinations of keywords to index your book for. The worst thing to do right now is to see all this open space and just want to try to fill it up just for the sake of filling it up. You really don't need to do that. And even Amazon says right here that these keywords are optional. Now, if you scroll up here, you can see that Amazon says that search keywords help readers find your book when they browse the Amazon site. You can enter keywords or short phrases that describe your book and are relevant to its content. The best keywords are those that do not repeat words in the title, category, or description, as these are already used to help readers find your book. Some types of keywords are prohibited and may result in content being removed from sale. Now, if I go ahead and click here, you can see your best practices right here, as well as useful keyword types and keywords to avoid. So if you want to go through this page, I'll leave the link down below so you can go through it. With that being said, that's it for today's video, and I hope you found it helpful. I'll go ahead and leave a link of this teacher gradebook keyword if you want to go ahead and try to create a book with this keyword. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or what kind of video you want me to do next. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.